authorities prioritize recovery efforts. This approach not just accelerated the recovery process, but also ensured that the most affected areas received immediate attention. But the role of AI did not stop at recovery. The community realized that to withstand future calamities, they needed to build back better and more resilient. So, AI was used to design robust infrastructure. AI algorithms analyzed patterns of past disasters and used the insights to suggest modifications in building designs, ensuring they were more resistant to hurricanes. This proactive approach, powered by AI, has put the community on a path towards becoming disaster resilient. The community in Florida is just one example of how AI can help in disaster recovery. It's not just about rebuilding, but building back better and more resilient. And this is the true power of AI, a tool that not only helps us recover from disasters, but also prepares us for a future where we can stand strong in the face of adversity. So, what have we learned about AI's role in disaster recovery? Firstly, we've seen how AI can be a game changer in disaster prediction, giving us invaluable time to prepare and plan. It can analyze patterns and trends to predict disasters, giving us a heads up before calamity strikes. This isn't just about forecasting, it's about saving lives. Secondly, AI can map efficient evacuation routes, ensuring everyone can escape danger as quickly and safely as possible. It's like having a smart guide when you need it the most. Thirdly, AI helps assess the damage post-disaster. It can analyze images, data, and more to provide a comprehensive picture of the destruction, helping us understand what needs to be done. Finally, AI aids in rebuilding efforts, making sure we build back better and more resilient. It can help us design cities and communities that can withstand future disasters, reducing the impact and ensuring we're better prepared. The future of disaster recovery lies in leveraging AI. It's not a question of if, but when and how we will use it to build more resilient communities.